Welcome to the Roam Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Neighbor.com provides a unique platform connecting individuals who have extra storage space with those seeking affordable storage solutions. Instead of relying on traditional self-storage facilities, Neighbor allows you to rent space from people in your community, often at a significantly lower price. This peer-to-peer model offers various options, from parking spaces and garages to basements and spare rooms. The platform facilitates the entire process, from finding available spaces to secure online payments and insurance coverage. For those with unused space, Neighbor presents an opportunity to earn extra income by monetizing their underutilized assets. Listing your space is straightforward and allows you to set your own prices and terms. The platform provides tools to manage your listings, communicate with potential renters, and track your earnings. Neighbor emphasizes safety and security, offering protection plans for both hosts and renters. This includes background checks, verification processes, and insurance options to mitigate potential risks. By fostering a community-based approach to storage, Neighbor aims to provide affordable and convenient solutions while empowering individuals to share their resources. Whether you're looking for storage or have space to share, Neighbor offers a compelling alternative to traditional self-storage, fostering connections within your local area and offering a more personalized experience. It's a win-win situation, connecting those in need with those who have resources to offer. Check out Neighbor.com today to explore the possibilities. Perhaps you can find the perfect storage solution right around the corner, or maybe you can start earning extra income by sharing your unused space with your neighbors. Remember, supporting your local community can be as easy as renting a parking spot or storing some boxes in a neighbor's garage. Join the Neighbor community and experience a new way to think about storage.